To share with you another journal that I've made, and this is a traveller's notebook, and I'm calling it Flowers and Butterflies. I've used a digital kit from Tsunami Rose, and it's the Charming Fragments, and I think it's the first one, and it's in the traveller's notebook size, because you can get it in both sizes, normal journal size and a traveller notebook size. So can't remember how many pages are in it, but this will be listed in my shop, so there'll be more details on there. So I've done a little bit of collaging on the cover here. Kind of used up my scraps to do this. We've got this here in the background, and then some cardstock and just some bits and bobs that were just lying around. This is from Tsunami Rose as well, and it's been shrunk down. Some bling here. We've got a butterfly which has been printed onto vellum. The journal measures 8 1/4 by 4 1/2, and there's stitching all around the cover. I'll show you the back because it's quite pretty, the paper. It's got flowers and butterflies and a couple of little birdies there. We've got eyelets and organza ribbon as a closure, and just make sure I'm in frame. Whoops, just wobbled the camera. So the main pages have been sewn onto shimmered coffee dyed paper, so they're nice and thick. And here we just have Terry Wood's flip out pocket. You can find Terry on YouTube, and her channel name is Terry Wood. And she's got I think it's possibly about 9 different tutorials on how to make pockets with like coffee dyed paper. So we have this little tag here, and it says, "If nothing ever changed, there'd be no butterflies." And I'll wobble the camera again. And we've just got some booklets here, which are these are actually file folders from Tsunami Rose, and I chopped the ends off, so just made them into little booklets. We've got some ephemera here, and I think that's from Tsunami Rose, and a tag, and then a large tag there. They've all been coffee dyed, inked up around the edges and stamped. And oh, I'm supposed to show you this. So this flips out, so you've got all this journal space to write on. And then it's decorated with a doily, a ticket and a butterfly, and again the butterfly is on vellum. Can't remember how all that went in now. That just pops in there. We've got a doily, some edge punching, some digital French ephemera from the old design shop, and then here we've just done some stenciling on that. We've got a large tag. We've just got a little flip out there, and I printed that double-sided and then just punched this little bit out of some paper as a stopper, and a journal card. I think it's that way around. Some lined paper, some coffee dyed paper. Sorry, I thought someone was coming to my door. And this is a pull-out belly band, so you can journal on that. And it just folds in nice and neatly. I've got another journal card, another one of these flip outs. I was actually going to put it on the one of the other sides, but because of this it kept catching, so I had to pop it in here. And then that, a doily, some edge punching, printed this out onto some vellum. Here we just have a pocket, and we have a tag. This is a tag from Artie Mays, and it's a freebie on her website, and I printed that on vellum. I haven't said that already. I've tried to do this video already, and got interrupted. So another little booklet, another little tag with a definition of friend, a doily, edge punching, some music paper, a large tagged journal on, and a journal card there with butterflies, and a journal card there as well. Centre of the signature. I'm not sure if it's picking it up, but the paper is very shimmery. Another journaling card there, some more butterflies and a large tag. Oh, it's rather noisy around here for so late at night. It's like nearly 2 in the morning. I slept all day because I thought I had allergies, but it's actually a cold, so I felt really rubbish. And because I've been awake all night, I thought I might as well crack on with this journal instead of just sitting there. So this is another flip out, and this is a pocket here, so there's all that journaling space, and that just pops in the pocket. And we've got a journaling card there. It's from Tsunami Rose, and this is from Tsunami Rose as well. And then that all folds down in a little paper clip. Just holding it closed inside here. Oops. The other side of the vellum. Another pocket with some lace on there. Another vellum tag. It's really pretty when you print out in vellum. Journal card, oh sorry, a tag. Another little booklet. So there's lots and lots of journaling space in this journal, excuse me. This says believe, cherish, dream and love. And we have another jumbo tag, another butterfly tag, another flower journal card. I'm hoping I don't sneeze. This is a pocket that I seen Clemmy, who is Clemmy Creations. She had done this, and this is the first time I've tried this one, and I think I've done it right. So it's like a triple pull out, well, triple pocket, but it pulls out. I'll show you in a minute. So you've got that flip there, and what happened was it was a little bit too big for this, so I trimmed it. So you've just got that little tiny overlay there, but it obviously has no doesn't affect like how it looks, if you know what I mean. So you can write on there. We've got this tag here. Obviously we've got a ticket and a vellum butterfly there. Another little booklet. This has got squared paper in it, and again it's all nice and shimmery. Then we have a tag. Then we have another journal card. Then we have this big large tag. Right, and let me see if I can show you this. So Clemmy's put on her tutorial, she put a little tab on there, so I've done exactly the same. This is just some scrap piece. This then folds out like that, and you've got this little pocket here where you can actually tuck something inside there as well. That flips up to write on. That flips out, and then it flips down, and then obviously you've got all that journal space as well. So let me see if I can do this. put it all back. So that flips inside there like that, so that folds in like that, then it folds that way, and the big tag goes in the back, and it goes in there. Does that go in there? That in there, and that in there, and then the little tab just, oops, holds it closed. I probably got too much in there, but there you go. That's in that pocket. Could have been done with putting a magnet on that. I'll have to find my magnets. And that is the back page. So that's the journal. There's a lot going on. There's lots of ephemera, lots of tags, lots of writing space. Like I said, it'll be for sale in my shop, and there'll be more details on there. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.